Welcome back to Just Speak Twi, episode 8. I hope you've been practicing. We didn't have an episode last week, but that doesn't mean sewu Twi naka. You should still be speaking your Twi every day. Today's episode is advice time. I'm going to give you a few phrases that will help the people around you support you as you speak Twi. After the phrases, we'll do a quick review and then that'll be it. So this is a very short episode, but I know it's going to help you in your Twi journey. Let's begin. I am learning Twi. Mi sua Twi. Mi sua Twi. Oftentimes you'll hear Uti Twi, Woka Twi. So when you are asked Uti Twi, Woka Twi, you can actually respond with Mi sua Twi. I'm learning Twi. Mi su a Twi. So repeat after me. Mi sua Twi. Mi sua Twi. Next, if someone is speaking too quickly and you want them to slow down, Canabrao, Canabrao, Mepacho, Canabrao. Because sometimes it's the speed that keeps you from understanding and responding. So if they need to slow down, Canabrao, Mepacho, Canabrao. And what if you just don't understand what someone is saying? Mintiasie. Me ti a se e. Mintiasie. Mintiasie. And then finally, when you want to ask, how do you say blank in Twi? Your phrase for that is Sai na yeka blank wo Twi mu. Sai na yeka light wo Twi mu. Sai na yeka onion wo Twi mu. Sai na yeka I'm tired wo Twi mu. When you don't know how to say a word, a phrase, a thing in Twi, memorize this phrase. Say na ye ka, and then insert your word or words. Wo Twi mu. Uti Twi. Mepacho mi sua Twi. And if someone is speaking too fast, kanoboko. And if you don't understand, mintiasie. And if you want how to say a word or phrase in Twi, say na yeka blank wo Twi mu. I hope that these phrases are going to help you as you just speak Twi. Now, before we end for today, Yeba beka Twi. If you've been following since episode 1, you and I can have a very brief conversation. Machi. Now, who to say? Umame who to say? Adie na wani je ho. Ene, adie na wuyeye. Now, the purpose of Just Speak Twi is to help you feel more comfortable speaking the Twi that you already understand. So every week when you listen to the episodes, I want you to practice. Your sentence frame for today is Say Nayaka blank Wachimu. I want you to memorize it so that as you're speaking Chi, when you come across a word or phrase that you don't understand, that you don't remember, use Chi to learn how to say the thing that you are stumbling on. So that is your phrase for the day, and it's also your assignment for the week. As you're speaking Chi, I want you to find at least 5 instances where you can use that phrase to build your vocabulary. So think of words, think of phrases that you don't know how to say in Chi, or where you pause very often when you're trying to speak Chi. And when you are stuck, instead of just going to your English or your French or your German or your Spanish, your Italian, your Swahili, or any other language, I want you to say, Sai nayaka, whatever your phrase is, wachimu. If you speak another language, think of it this way. It's like saying, ¿Cómo dit-on eggs en français? Or, ¿Cómo se dice apple en español? Every language has this phrase, and it's a wonderful one to boost your confidence as you are speaking the language. Your confidence boost for today is Meka michi sediati bia. Meka michi sediati bia. I will speak my Chi no matter how it is. Meka michi sediati bia. So repeat after me. Me ka mi chi se dia e ti bia. Thank you so much for joining me today for episode 8 of Just Speak Twi. Just Speak Twi is a production of Am Learning, a cultural platform rooted in language, tradition, and community within the African diaspora. All music used is from the public domain.